I was here for Hi and the Chemistry Sports TV on YouTube. I would even say as usual. Ena, me de bremo ena no pay ena no pay inkomo idea. E an pimpi na retire the transfer stories never. Transfer stories never. But and the major issue for discussion am de bremo no. Chelsea. Chelsea, what's the latest Chelsea na sembe na esi Chelsea. Na se komo na me de bremo no komo e wo so te waso na wotie. Now, in common is about two players of Chelsea. Decision on what take so more everything atiki a certain JC number. Normal what that self belief and confidence. Say almost everything that JC number not so media performing for the respective club no more say almost be say kind no. And no discussion of the Ebremo. And che enra ebeto dwa say Abrante aye fe ne Kupama. Afei deɛ ɔno no akɔ akɔgye Chelsea number 10 jersey ne sɛ afi wi a yɛba betim 2024-2025 season no ɔno ɛna betumi ahyɛ Chelsea number 10 jersey no ama biribi atumi akɔ yi ɛde ama Chelsea obiara nim sɛ previously no na aberante a ɔhyɛ no ɛyɛ Mudryk ɔno ɛne aberante a ɔhyɛ saa jersey no na obiara nim sɛ okonya doping issues ɛma aberante no saa bere ɔte fie na obi anim sɛ gidi a Chelsea nya a yɛde kɔfa ne bae at that time na Arsenal nso ɛpɛ na wɔde kɔfa ne bae no aberante ne bae no ntimi produce saa quality na Chelsea ɛpɛ sɛ ɔde ɛma no it's just unfortunate a young player waba through the ranks adapting to the Premier League no go through nneɛma bebrebe sɛ ɔnya chance koraa ba ntimi ma ɔno kyɛ sɛ nneɛma mu ayɛ tough na ɔhwɛ sɛ edu level a mpanimfoɔ ɛsan gyi ne JC number de a na kyerɛ sɛ baabi edu no ayɛ den ɛde ama aberante no Kupama na agye 10 JC number no sɛ ɔbɛhyɛ ɛde ama Boboko a yɛfrɛ no Chelsea yɛnka nkɔ akyiri o ka ɔmo ahyɛ number 10 JC for Chelsea a Marquinhos ɛhyɛ 10 JC ne bi for Chelsea obiara ni Marquinhos sɛ ɔyɛ Manchester United legend but with a few years he spent at the Stamford Bridge you know, he was outstanding saa nso na afɔ bi sɛ Ray Wilkins a ɔno nso yɛ former player ɔno nso bɛhyɛ the number 10 JC for Boboko a yɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ Chelsea but in recent times players Omasha Omudin Edda Chelsea fan bia na Chelsea fan bia welcome those players on board. Eya Brantia ye friend Joko. Say Ohwe Joko a he needs no identity to the Chelsea team and Obianim under the tutelage of Jose dos Santos Mourinho Mario Felix. Na Joko integral under Carlo Ancelotti he was integral under Rafael Benitez Modest he was integral under Luis Felipe Scolari he was integral. Inti oye one player na Chelsea buku na osombo with the number 10 jersey and oyobi na 10 jersey ne fatani because na possess the attribute of a perfect number 10 skill antics entertainment flex elastico everything that you need from a number 10 na Joko edema oji ball a obetwetwe na onya ono Damien Duff eda no ano na so mo de wo kɔ the counter attack during Jose Mourinho time na never who say when aberante a wired ready and wired ready to take risk on the field of play. Nti Joko be ma 10 years ni bi. Yenya aberante a ye frɛ no Eden Hazard. And so ebe ma number 10 years no and as I said Hazard needs no identity. And similar to Joko, he loves to entertain, he loves to dribble, he loves to take on players, he loves to exhibit his talent and a stand-out player. Chelsea nyane from Lille aberante ne buy no ne 90 ball efe e die na ohia from him the penalty about one step no about ball na hye in the heat of moments the retentional play top notch he was a top drawer and oyobi a wo fan na akotena park na so to head ball uwie na okofia now the Eden Hazard Pele and so edi ekofie because obem enjoy football na opese otimi ehwe no sans na one Manuel Mata on Hazard nyina omo nyina ba the same type na omo benya 3 players dia na omo from the massacre near Oscar dos Santos and Boaba Jr. one Manuel Mata and then Eden Hazard now obi any say one Mata will pick a ball from right side now playmaking or the bar you have a perfect playmaker a perfect number 10 at a sprite and one Mata and so it may be 10 this William Borges da Silva. And so for a few times, Ebeshe Jisinibi, and again, on also belong to the category of Eden Hazard, or belong to the category of a one man matter. Skill, flair, anti-space, energy, athleticism, goals, creativity. William Enso Eddie Bebon, about who said number 10 gis no sebi and Jennifer Hubia. And that is what William also bring to the table. A quality player and players here Maboyina technically they were up there with the very best in the game. And a Mudrik 18 ever five. In Tiene, se Kopama Ababefa, no craning Yamiani. I've seen Kopama play make. I've seen Kopama detecting the tempo, controlling proceedings, taking players on, or both penalty with ease. But in the game in the final against Real Betis, no, Emma made double the love that I have for Kopama because that game was a top level game. It almost say the UEFA Conference League. But to have Isco here and to have Kopama here, no more what is clearly missing from the recent game, not just when Niaje say we the two players. So for me, se Kopama dia to so better 10 days now, it's perfectly befitting. Let me name some of the Esteban William. But to reduce the pressure and allow the young guy to adapt to the style of the Premier League, Kopama number 10 this no so often or se fata na yese Bequin edin fata na fata na kono na Chelsea akono omugina and their quest to come back to the Champions League next season and be part of the competitors for the Premier League next season. They need a player who play behind the striker like Kopama. No matter that level of competition omo person omuramu a year next season. Eti Kopama meji 2 meter na chi se number 10 days no onfa no nhye no onfa mo adwuma te se players ya mbubo omudin adwuma omo etimi eboy oyi Kopama free wa oni abrante bi na ne wo Manchester City Academy na ye friend Liam Delap na ono nso free Ipswich Town ene ba bobo kwa efene Chelsea 30 million pounds release clause na Chelsea tua de kofa no edene bae na abrante yi bae ono nso atake a bold step. The bold step na ye or say ono de amanfo bebre eba omo dwane number 9 gis no but ono de number 9 gis na nya de so obedwane da eno no ope eno no obehye. He doesn't believe in any spiritism and he feel that the gidi e wonyama no so obeba bi say kan de ama Chelsea no obetimi ahye number 9 gis no e de abo adwuma. Chelsea number 9 gis no e wo history na the history na e wo no e wo case me ka se case ya dia me pese me kire ne say in recent time players o ma ba be hye number 9 gis no no omo ntimi mfa mo adwuma eti said the Chelsea wo boku no epe na these are big guys within the ranks ananko bia wo didi omo say enkomo be change everything at Chelsea when they were signed and you so be mfa number 9 gis ni bi nhye mo adwuma da Jimmy Flo Hasselbank Netherlands ni abrante no wo a wo hu no ni goal hye de amanfo enjoy goals at the Stamford Bridge in the early time before a year open year friend Roman Abramovich. Inti number 9 Jason or shed the boy adwuma. But after that, omo maba be na Jason na omo nye successful. It is all sure. Chelsea kofa Hernan Crespo by an Argentine number 9. Nature's a prospect in huge. You expect him to perform or buy no wentimi ambo. Enye ono nko Chelsea kofa Mattia Jackesman. Serbia for striker no edene by or by number 9 this no he became a flop. Odi no to nchanya ye was strikers beat say Falcao obi enim the Tiger in the Colombia for no Spanish for no friend the El Tigre Bob Ben Falcao ambo for FC Porto wambo for AS Monaco but Falcao baby P mo Chelsea no he was a flop. Gonzalo Pipita Higuain another number 9 Argentina for number 9 otime bench Sergio Aguero and so baby P more Chelsea or no so by no he was a flop. Alvaro Morata even till date still started as number 9 for Tima your friend Spanish national team that is Tima your friend the La Roja or do the finals of the Conference League again Alvaro Morata by no or no so by flop. Chelsea the sika kresi ko former player Romelu Lukaku Bolingoli if Inter Milan by Romelu Lukaku so by no Oba flop. So at a point, the Chelsea number 9 was not entertained or Stamford Bridge. Now the defenders into who Khalid Boularus. One game or the Zinedine against Ronaldinho. After that, he became a flop. Into apart from Franco Di Santo, now a young player. Oswa omode man now flop we no. Player be Obabesha Nanjis be a flop. Steve Sidwell, Eba Chelsea, or Obabesha Nanjis or flop way. So these are all big guys These are proven and players with pedigree, players with experience, players are not only proven at certain a year league and on ba Bobukwa, your friend Chelsea. But sa we mun nyina ba no oboba be failure. Fernando Torres Sanz, she former no the Spanish national team. She former the ball Atletico Madrid. She former the ball a Liverpool. Fernando Torres ba Chelsea, he became a flop. Into the Dampana Jesse Kess and a case in there. A team aha players akasia no be a wo did the same committee at Inginiama e Chelsea. Aha omu nyina ba no omu be flop and after that omu career no went in revive omu career no bi. Into na ye hwese enka Dampana ne je wo ye Liam Delap expectation in this bebrebe. A young guy coming through the ranks. A lot of people even believe the Chelsea team need a far better experience number 9 like Vito Osimhen was on comedy line. It's a young player all body. Nanko Beton was said the man the number 9 shirt. But the guy says that is the number that I want. I believe in myself. I don't believe in spiritism. The confidence level on high, and with time I will glitter. Any idea Liam Delap I catch the Chelsea force or the Eba. Let's hope, let's support him, and let's rally behind him, and let's pray. Say na nisu ade hunu ne die so anwaso no ebetimi aba. It is a case 9 and it is Copa Mountain. Omo mienu ne begina ni next season for Enzo Maresca and for Chelsea. Let's read the two guys for the best and let's hope so omo betimi at the Chelsea are competing in the Champions League. Now the Chelsea are competing in the EPL. Don't forget Sahaya and Ken Sport TV on YouTube. O subscribe na wa share no bi nso anya bi ahwe na yetimi at the more videos and so etimi abrem. I'm out.